Welcome to training on computer security at Reminger using multi-factor authentication. In this session, you will learn what multi-factor authentication is, why we use it, and how it works in our environment. Multi-factor authentication is sometimes called by its initials MFA. It is a text security method that is stronger than a password because it requires the user to provide more than one means of identification. Users provide something they know, such as a username and password, and use something they possess, a cell phone, to confirm their login attempt. Some multi-factor authentication programs also require users to provide something that is uniquely theirs, such as a fingerprint. You may be choosing to use that form of authentication to unlock your cell phone. Reminger does not require that type of authentication. Reminger uses MFA on our major systems because it is more secure than relying on a password alone. Microsoft Office, NetDocuments, and Adobe Acrobat all require two-step authentication with both your network login as well as a security code sent to your cell phone. You will need to complete this process when you first set up your Reminger computer access. You will need to repeat the process about every 6 months when you update your password. If you reset your password more often, you will need to repeat this process more frequently. The following slides will walk you through the process of setting up multi-factor authentication on your Reminger systems. Be sure to complete the steps in the order presented. Each step is presented in detail with images to guide you along the way. The process should take you less than 15 minutes to complete. If you have questions or need assistance, call the help desk at extension 5555 or send an email to helpdesk@reminger.com. Thanks for your time and attention.